Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in the last update that we had for the preview updates, something new is appearing in Windows settings. And this is the way going forward for Microsoft, as it wants everybody to use the Windows Protected Print mode. And this is a different way of printing. It is more secure, but also not just more secure. It also should have a lot less problems in printing. And that also means that the old driver method of installing printers is gone with the Windows Print Protected mode. Now, it doesn't mean that you can't still install your old printer. There are going to be exceptions to the rule. So I've checked mine and actually activated the Windows Protected mode for printing. So I went to network, but Bluetooth and devices, and then you go to your printer and scanner. Here, it was turned off by default. It was turned off, which means that if, like right now, it says turn off. This is a button that means I could turn it off now if I wanted. So it said, in reality, the button here said turn on if I wanted to use it. So Windows Protected Print Mode feature helps ensure the latest security standard for printer software, and it tells you that turning on may limit the availability of some printers using older default security standards. So I tried it to see if my printer, my Epson ET2750, is about 5 years old. And it works. It was actually when I turned on the feature, it first removed all printer drivers, and then it went to the install of new printers. Actually, I clicked Add Device, and it found that, yep, Epson ET2750 series was compatible. It actually tells you when you turn it on, it will tell you all the printers that are not compatible. So you can just go back and say, oh, okay, I don't want to turn that on if my printers are not. Mine said that the printer was compatible, that after the remove the printer driver, they would install the printer in Windows Protected Print mode. So this going forward, and Microsoft actually pushes this hard, tells all the IT community that this is the way printers should be installed in the future. And for a while, this will be available alongside old drivers. So if you want to install an old printer that is not compatible with this, there will be a way to just say, well, you don't turn this on and just install the good old drivers. But at some point, it will become a standard, as all new printers are capable of this. It's a new Mopria standard. And actually, everything uses this. If you have a printer, one of the biggest problems that was for a long time is having your printers recognized by all devices, your smartphone, your iPhone, your Mac, your PC, or even Linux. This new standard means that it works everywhere. If you're compatible with Mopria standards, this works on every device now, and this will make using printers everywhere so much simpler. So this is one of the new features that's been added. So I turned it on to test it out. I thought if it doesn't work, I'll just turn it off and go back to standard, install the drivers again. So it works on my 5-year-old printer. So I mean, this means that there are probably quite a few printers in the last few years that are all compatible already. The only ones that would not be, I would guess, are if you're hanging on to that really old printer that still works, then you don't want to probably turn on this feature. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.